Swing! Who's your daddy?
The good thing about them is that you'll be able to hear where they are. So, so they said 5 in the air at once is okay. So right now we're at 3. God, the Mustang is so loud. You know what? Let me check over everything while they're still. Uh-oh. Is that the P51? What happened? What happened? He just lost it?
Disoriented, slow, lost the signal, I don't know why. Could be anything. I saw him looking at his transmitter, but I'm like, no, pay attention to your plane. It's going out that way.
I hate that. Taxiing out! Of course, he also.
You gotta.
Yeah.
So the new arrival, I want to welcome you to Livermore Flying Electron Field.
Okay, coast is clear.
Beautiful.
Take it off!
Hang around for lunch. We have a great lunch schedule for you. Hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, ice cream and cake for dessert, watermelon. We don't ask anybody to donate anything or pay anything.
Not for long.
Not for long.
We just ask you to please buy some raffle tickets.
Spitfire coming out.
For those who are not familiar with the 50-50 raffle, half of the money that
I'm gonna give a little separation.
half of the purse goes to the winner of the raffle, that goes to the club and helps support our effort
I'm
here.
separating.
Those pay for the lunch.
Yeah. Now you got a Spitfire.
What? He took off? I didn't even hear him say he's taking off.
Like a little
Fire right here.
Lopez!
Got a Spitfire above you.
I see him.
Prize so far is $250. Winner of the raffle. Then get the club $250 as well. We really appreciate your help with this. We don't ask you to put any money in the donation box.
This is out of the way.
We just want to give you a chance to win a few $100.
It's down.
What?
Yeah.
If you're not going to be here, don't worry about it. We take your phone number. You don't have to be here to win.
I don't know.
I actually think I know. But I'll wait till after.
Thank you, folks. We appreciate it. Just as a
He
side
has an
note,
older
we have
radio
open
too with
membership
the
here.
antenna you can move.
We have
Lopez! Somebody clear?
Just
You're good.
grab me and I'll get one for you if you need one. Application fee is on a sliding scale. So you're not paying the full year, just
way
part of it.
underneath you. Oh, well, you way the hell up there. So
Yeah,
it doesn't matter.
I saw the birds, so I was like, oh, let me get out of there. Lopez!
All clear. Running. This guy's on the runway.
Okay.
Whoever's flying the Mustang, I don't know his name. Steve, is it?
Steve, yeah.
Oh shit, he's got a long ass.
It's most of the way over there.
Far. You're not gonna. You're too far.
Yeah.
Way the hell
It's almost to the road.
What? How about
Let me go mess with Ken.
I can go get on his ass and just like take him. Gun it.
Oh, he knows I'm there.
It's just two of you guys Spitfires on the other side.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
There you go.
On the runway!
Whoa.
The guy just he's just going.
All you folks who've already bought tickets, thank you very much. We sure appreciate your supporting this effort. Anybody down here I can sell some tickets to?
Lenny, stop talking. Jesus.
Price is over $200 already.
Okay, landing!
Okay, you stay for lunch?
Take off when you land.
Ah,
Okay.
come on. Throw something in the kitty, man.
Watch out for the Spitfire too. You probably need to land after him.
Okay.
Enjoy your free lunch.
Okay, landing.
Very nice.
Flaps up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Brakes, brakes, brakes. That's the brake.
Yes.
That's the braking action. Is he landing or no?
He is landing. Yeah. Well, he's gonna pass. He's not gonna land down. With him, I never know. He does a couple of passes like that, and
Right.
then eventually.
All right, you're clear. Wow, that was exciting.